Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make floating artwork.
Wreck it, watch it, do it.
This is a super easy science experiment. All you need is a dry erase marker, a ceramic or glass bowl or plate, and some water. How you do it is you draw a little message or figure onto the plate, and then you wait about 3 seconds for it to dry a bit and pour the water on, and the messages should start floating.
Oh no!
Wait a minute.
Okay, pause. This is a quick break for you guys to subscribe. Subscribing is super easy. All you have to do is scroll down below and click it, and it's completely free, so you can always unsubscribe later. It takes about 2 seconds and it helps me out a ton. You did it? Cool. Back into the video.
Hello? Hi.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and you haven't already, make sure to click here to subscribe. And then these two are my latest videos, so you might as well go check them out. They're super fun.